really alert you. At least 6 to 12 inches. Even with the bar or... Okay, mark it. There she is. We've got the computer mounted. Pop the lid and I can get to the fuses. Got the water seal on it, so it's completely submergible. And the computer can be submerged too. Then the wire harness comes down and I've got the computer connector here and here. Comes around here nice. The extra wire that I had to roll up 3 turns. So it's really nice, really compact, tucked in there really well. We come up here and so far it's still a spaghetti nightmare. All the fuel injector lines will be hidden back underneath the fuel rail. Basically the wiring harness is going to be invisible. The whole harness is connected to the engine and it comes out with the engine and this frame tube as one big unit.
Stay tuned for more assembly tomorrow.